Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn referral list with HubSpot CRM detailed guide step by step clearly. Log in to your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile page. Click on the My Network section located in the top navigation bar. Select Connections from the left sidebar. Once your connections list opens, scroll to the referral connections you wish to back up. Take note of the information for each referral, including names, contact details, and any relevant notes. Open a new tab and log in to your HubSpot CRM account. If you don't have a HubSpot account, you will need to sign up for one. In HubSpot, navigate to the Contacts tab in the top menu. Click on Create Contact to start adding your LinkedIn referrals. For each referral, enter their details, including full name, email address, and phone number. Make sure to add notes or tags for context if needed. You can also include the LinkedIn profile link for direct reference. Once you've entered the information, click on Create Contact to save. Continue this process until all your referrals are added to HubSpot. After you have added all your contacts, check for any duplicates. Utilize HubSpot's filtering tools to ensure your list is clean and organized. Once satisfied, consider creating segments based on different criteria for better management. Regularly review and update your referral list in HubSpot as needed. This will ensure you maintain an effective and accessible database of your LinkedIn referrals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.